a picture on a fire alarm device. Let's check it out. Yep, it sure is. Ha 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 ha. Now we wait.
Oh good, it's Wednesday today, and it's 10 a.m. The bell just rang at 9:55 a.m., and it's 5 minutes ago. Let's see if...
Great garbanzos!
Junior, get over here right now.
Yes, security. What is it?
Junior, why is there a picture on a fire alarm device? You know it's not belong in a public school. It belongs at home. So take that picture off that fire alarm device right now.
Well, I put a picture on a fire alarm device because one of those false alarms are annoying. All I want to do is that picture could stay on the horn forever.
No, the picture is not staying on the horn forever. The horn cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Take it off right now.
Wait, do I have to take that picture off the fire alarm device?
Yes, it needs to. Take it off right now.
Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Thank you. And guess what?
What?
You are in big trouble right now. I will punish you right now. Junior, how dare you put a picture on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at all. Seriously, why the heck would you do that? Putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at all. Pictures on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. Also, you are too young to go to high school. That's it. Go home right now.
Rocky road, chocolate, peanut butter cookie dough. Scoop, yes, scoop, yes, scoop, yes, scoop, yes. Fresh vanilla, Rocky road, chocolate, peanut butter cookie dough. Scoop, yes, scoop, yes. Fresh vanilla, Rocky road, chocolate, peanut butter cookie dough.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put a picture on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. You know that picture is not belong in a public school. Putting a picture on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. And you're too young to go to high school. That's it. I'm taking you home.
Junior, how dare you put a picture on the fire alarm device at school? You do know you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 3 days. Go to your room now.
Wah.